Adobe Illustrator download. Can I download Adobe Illustrator for free? You can Adobe Illustrator download a test variation of Illustrator absolutely free. The free trial is the official, complete variation of the application. It includes all the functions and also updates in the most recent variation of Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator download, $19.99 at Adobe, is just readily available via registration. Illustrator as standalone app price is $19.99 per month with an annual dedication, or $29.99 on a month-to-month basis. The program flaunts sophisticated capability thanks to a wonderful option of different brushes, tools and impacts. While it takes much time and effort to discover all its attributes, this software program uses unmatched possibilities thanks to its integration with Photoshop and Animate CC. Knowing Illustrator is extremely easy as any kind of one can discover its tools and how they work. Yet being conversant in Illustrator is totally different thing. For this you need to be patient as well as keep on doing practice. Since just by doing method you'll be able to grasp it as well as produce lovely arts. Adobe Illustrator has a free test offer running, which allows you to access the whole of its attributes for 7 days, without paying a dime. When the initial week is up, you can decide to upgrade to a paid customer, or terminate your account. Adobe Illustrator is perhaps one of the most popular vector graphics modifying tools available, for many years, as its sophisticated functionality and spectacular results make it a favorite for professionals as well as enthusiasts alike. About Adobe Illustrator Draw Certification. We are the most effective Adobe Illustrator download in Dubai and will continue to be. Simply reach us and we will look after your training needs completely. Additionally, as we offer training in tiny teams in our classes, each trainee will certainly receive additional interest which helps them address their inquiries easily when they are getting training from our professionals. The Adobe Illustrator training course instructors are senior designers with more than 5 years of experience in providing professional training in various computer-aided design like Photoshop, Illustrator, Corel Draw, Flash and multimedia subjects. Zabeel uses licensed software for conducting their training. Live data is used in the practical sessions to give hands-on experience to the participants. Significance of Adobe Illustrator training in 2021. Having an all-around profile filled with skills just like Adobe Illustrator certification will certainly offer you a one-up when future companies are making their decisions. It canister make your creativity cut loose. Benefits of Adobe certifications for individuals. Adobe accreditation is the outright ideal method to interact your efficiency in Adobe items. Resumes with Adobe qualifications obtained discovered and also fast-tracked by hiring supervisors. Adobe certified professionals make recognition and regard from associates and employers. Adobe accredited specialists get unique updates on Adobe's latest products and innovations. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Adobe Illustrator training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Adobe Illustrator training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 3974905. WhatsApp 009715052585501. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/